Tell me your thoughts about today.
Today was an awesome day. I met so many amazing people. I learned so much. The topics covered so many areas that I made notes that are like 2 pages long. I wish I recorded the entire day so I can kind of go back and refer to it and share it with the people that weren't here. I loved it. If you weren't at this event, you must try and attend next year. Get involved in GDG Cloud. They are amazing. Your community is awesome.
I know, we know.
So tell me about GDG Cloud.
You are cheating. This was my interview to you. So, GDG is an amazing community.
GDG Cloud.
GDG Cloud London.
I
I mean,
know.
everyone knows that it's GDG Cloud London.
Hey, so I'm Ron Mandel. I'm the global community leader for cloud efforts here in Google Developer Relations. We had a fabulous day today with our organizers and GDEs from around the region. We're super excited to have representation on our DA panel at our Ask Me Anything. I was super excited with all the engagement we had today. It seemed like everybody really got something out of it. There was something to take away for everybody, whether it was learning about security on GCP, whether it was hands-on machine learning, whether it was inspiration from the keynote about how NASA has collaborated with Google Cloud, or whether it was just networking with each other. I was super honored that everybody came and joined us today to kick off this week of Next and participate with us and learn and grow.
So I actually had a brilliant day. I don't know if you can see behind me. There are so many people who gathered here today. More than 40 cloud, machine learning, and AI communities. The community organizers who came together to share what they're doing, to learn from each other, and to get to know other communities and community members. So quite excited and very much inspired by all of them.
Hi, my name's Natalie Puco. I am on the Google Cloud team and I'm one of the trainers. Today has been an amazing event. We've had the opportunity to meet some really interesting folk all across EMEA that are really working on building out the Google Cloud community across Europe. I think one of the most interesting things about today has really just been, making amazing connections between people from all across Europe and really getting to meet the people who are building our technical communities across Google Cloud across the globe. I think one of the most interesting things about today is that we actually got to have experience of hands-on labs, and we got to see lots of customer engineers, strategic cloud engineers that are part of our Google team here in London get to talk about some of the hottest topics like machine learning, security.
Hi there, this is Amanda. Tomorrow we have Google Cloud Next at the Excel, but we're too eager to wait for tomorrow. So we're here, we're partying. We have people who are GDGs, they're part of the Google Developers Group, also GDEs, who are Google Developers experts. We have people who work for Google, we have friends, we have software developers, we have people who are interested in tech.
Here at the after party of the Cloud Communities Summit, I'm Saverio from GDG Cloud London, and you can reach us out at my Twitter handle. So today was a very interesting day because it was like the day zero of Cloud Next. So we met many of the leaders and the GDs of the cloud communities in Europe and the UK. And today it was this day about like warming up for what's coming tomorrow. It was a really great moment for me because we got to meet many of my fellow co-organizers and we shared our sort of a retrospective into 2019, and we started to compare notes on what worked and what was not working in our respective groups. The one thing that I guess that most impressed me and made me think was the first talk, the one that opened the keynote of the day, and it was about the application of cloud machine learning with Google, with GCP, from NASA. So they're exploring and trying to find new exoplanets and life in the universe through the use of machine learning. And they showed us how a work that usually will take 300 hours to a trained professional, an astrophysicist, now takes just 1 minute from our models. So that's something great to think about, something that puts things in perspective and shows the advancements that we have gotten so far.
Just meeting the different people. Been some great talks, but chatting to different people has been the best part.
Hi, I'm Joseph Allen, and I'm here from PyData Manchester. That's a open source data community up in Manchester. It was wonderful to be invited down to London today by Google. I've really enjoyed sort of the various talks, some really inspiring stuff about NASA, about how Google's being used to sort of change the world and all sorts of crazy stuff. My favorite thing I learned today, there was a hands-on workshop where we really dug into the MNIST digit data set, and I just find that so exciting to sort of, get my hands into some data set. I'm just a curious guy, and it's a curious world.
It was very good. Had a very enjoyable day, learning about new Google Cloud products and meeting interesting people. I quite enjoyed Lauren Picard's talk about the machine learning APIs that are available on Google Cloud.
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm a Google developer expert for Cloud and Firebase, and I'm here at the Cloud Community Summit 2019 in London. We've had an amazing time. We've had some really engaging stories and some information about how we can connect partners with Google developer groups, and I get to meet all these people who are here from around the world to attend Cloud Next in London. I'm looking forward to 2 days of really good content next. I'll be speaking on Thursday, so if you're watching this video before then, Eddie, you need to edit this video and publish it before tomorrow afternoon. So if you're around at Cloud Next London, I'll be speaking in the Dev Zone at 5:50 on Thursday. So be sure to come along and see me talking about microservices. I also have a YouTube channel, Backfire, where we look at backend for Firebase. I'm sure Eddie will put a link in the description below. And if you've liked this video, Eddie produces some really good content on open source and communities. Be sure to like the video, click on subscribe and hit that notification bell.
So my name is Mattia Bano, and I'm a GDG Cloud London organizer, and I've been here for a couple of days, and I'm helping GDG Cloud London now. My day was very good. I had the opportunity to meet a lot of people. So my favorite part of the summit was the keynote, because it was very interesting, talking about NASA, how NASA collect data, and how Google Cloud can help NASA to process a lot of data, a lot of terabyte, also petabyte of data.
Very nice day. I have met new people, Sadiq and Afat.
It's been such a busy day. We went through so much content, technical workshops, we networked with lots of people, and I learned so much that I didn't know before.
It was really interesting. I got to meet a lot of people, a lot of speakers who I've seen on YouTube, and then I got to see them physically today, and also meet some people from several meetups. Today I had a walkthrough of how to use TensorFlow with MNIST datasets. So it was interesting to me because I had a good explanation and meeting people.
Well, I'm like a student developer lead, so I'm one of the younger ones here. I'm quite inexperienced compared to everyone else. So I managed to gain a lot of insight on how to hold events and previous people's experience.
So I had a great day, the community day here in London. I am a little bit jet lagged, so I woke up a little late, but I still arrived on time to show up and talk to everyone here. Well, my favorite part about today was being on the panel on the stage, so I got a lot of random questions, and I was sitting there with my teammates, so it was really fun to see all of the questions that the community had for us and seeing how, as a team, we could give our best answers to them. But also I learned a lot from just knowing what questions the community had.
It's absolutely fantastic day to be here. I came all the way from Ireland to Google Cloud Summit here, and it's one of the best days. A lot of people from all around the world, all of them are here talking about technology, machine learning, artificial intelligence. This cannot be better than any other day. Well, the favorite part of my experience today was obviously the machine learning, the live lab about machine learning. That was phenomenal. The amount of learning I had was fantastic. It was incredible to be here. The one thing I like here, obviously, is the level of enthusiasm and the level of engagement. Everybody is treated as same. There's no hierarchy. There's a lot of respect with each other. It's really friendly, and it's all about technology and innovation. That's really cool.
Dialogue flow talk, which was really quite interesting with the using the AI to drive up the customer experience. That was just really quite interesting.
We are here at the Community Cloud Summit, and behind me you see a lot of people. There are 4 categories here. One is GDE, Google Developer Experts. The second one is GDG, which is Google Developer Group organizers and actually members, volunteers who run meetups, events, and conferences. The third one is Google Student Developers, and this is a new category where a student can start a chapter at their university. The fourth one is an open community member from the AI, machine learning, or even a startup community.
So, Cloud Martels, thank you for being here. Woo!
One thing I missed yesterday was coming to GDG Cloud Run, but hopefully the next time I'll be the first person to be there.